Hello stock traders, I wanted to give you a clear understanding about options trading. So I will be taking you through a series of sessions for options trading. What is required for options trading, what you are supposed to know about options trading, and more about options and options and options. Everything surrounding the level of options trading is what I will be giving you out in this series, right? So this is the first of all the sessions. Let's go through the options trading training 1. So what's needed to trade in Nifty options in India? So there are much more than 5 things which are required. However, these are the main things which are required, right? So the first one is the knowledge. It includes the technical analysis, it includes the strategies, risk management. I can take about 4 or 5 sessions for risk management itself. Without risk management, you are achieving nothing from the stock markets, right? Stock markets can chew you and throw you out. You can lose your shirt and your undergarments if you keep on trading without the knowledge and the risk management. Though you have the knowledge, if you don't have the risk management in place, everything whatever you have gained will be lost in one day. Okay, and you need the good entry and exit levels. In trading, in retail trading, there is one saying: you make the profits not at the time of selling, you make the profits at the time of buying. Okay, so entry is very much important. Exit is important as well. If you exit very early in the trade, you will hardly be making any money out of it. You are supposed to wait until the right exit levels. You are supposed to know all those information. All those information, whatever I have given over here, will be separate videos. However, I will give you brief about each of the 5 points I have mentioned over here in this particular session. The second you would require is good trading account with low brokerage. I have made a note of certain trading accounts which I know are kind of good. So it's not my recommendation. However, you can consider these because these are the leading in the options trading. Alright. So and next you would require is good trading software for good technical analysis charts, right? So when you have technical analysis giving you instructions, you are supposed to have good technical charts, right? So it is not like you believe in God and God is in your mind and you can always pray about it. It's not like that over here, right? So it is like you are supposed to see technical chart as God, where you have God giving you all the instructions and you are supposed to take all the instructions and trade according to that, right? So technical charts is our God, right? So if you don't believe in God, please don't curse me. However, that's what I believe, right? And the next is time of at least 1 hour per day to trade, because you are supposed to be tending towards perfection, right? You are not perfect. If you are perfect, you will be sitting below a tree like Buddha and giving instructions about what to do to others, right? You will not be here to look for trading courses or trading videos. Okay, so you need time to make this perfect. Okay, trading comes only after you trade and you lose some money, because it's just like swimming, right? You are supposed to swim and you're supposed to take some water inside you. You are supposed to do the physical task and then the swimming comes to you. You will, as soon as you jump, you will not be able to swim. Just like that, you're supposed to trade, you're supposed to lose, and then you're supposed to make your mind to trade again, because at some point you will feel like, okay, I have lost much, I'm not supposed to trade. Chanakya has said in one of his quotes that you are not supposed to leave anything whatever you have learnt by losing. you're supposed to make it in gains, or you're supposed to make a positive out of that knowledge, and then you're supposed to leave if you are actually leaving. Until then you're not supposed to quit. So you are supposed to trade on a daily basis, make it perfect, and then move on if you want to move on, right? The next is you have to have a good mentor, right? So there are too many Ekalavyas in this world. However, not everyone is an Ekalavya who will just learn by seeing others. Okay, you're supposed to have a good mentor. Do whatever your mentor says to do, follow his footsteps, and at one point of time you can add your own twist, and then you can trade in the market. However, till then you are supposed to go to a good mentor, right? Let's go through all these 5 points in this session. Let's go to the first point. Okay, so the first point is knowledge. What knowledge would you require? So options trading is a rough tide if you trade without knowledge. Knowledge is so vast, and not everything can be concealed in this particular video. However, options trading is, a very big sea where you can gulp small ounces of water every time, right? So this knowledge can't be shared in one video. It at least takes about 100 to 150 videos at least to know how to trade in options. However, with the information of options you can't trade. Okay, you need much more than that. Okay, options trading is a rough tide, so you need a lot of knowledge. That knowledge will follow in the future videos to come. Okay, in this session of in this series of options trading sessions which I will be creating. Okay, however, options trading is a rough tide, and you are supposed to have vast knowledge before you start trading in options. Everyone dives into option trading just like that, saying that I will be able to make heck lots of money. However, when they lose everything, they will just quit and they will never come back. That should not happen. Okay, so you are supposed to be the successful trader who actually makes money out of options trading, not the person who is making losses almost all the time without him able to control his mindset, right? So technical analysis is the basis to trade in Nifty options. If anyone says that fundamental analysis will give way for trading in Nifty options or any of the stock options, they are probably God, or probably they don't know anything about it, right? So technical analysis is the basis of trading in Nifty options or any options at all, right? So you have to have some knowledge about technical analysis to trade in Nifty options, else you are gambling. Okay, you need a very, I can't stress enough, very good risk manager in yourself. You are supposed to see yourself as a very good risk manager. Many of them invest in mutual funds. Why is that? That's because there are fund managers who actually manage a big amount of money, big chunks of money which are invested in that mutual fund is managed by a fund manager and set of analysts who keep on looking into this day in and day out. If you have a good risk manager in you, then you will be successful in options trading. If you take care of the risk, rewards will chase you without doubt. Okay, however, you need to have a good trading mindset to hold on to that rewards, and you are supposed to wait or ride the markets when it is going up. You need to have that mindset as well. So that information, that knowledge is supposed to be there for you as well. That's there. Next is, before you enter in options, you need to know the risk to reward ratio, how much of a reward you will get. If it is 2 times the reward and 1 time the risk, is it worth it? You will judge it and then enter into the trade. And exit level before the entry. You should know what is the exit level. If you are just trading like that without knowing what is the exit, you are gambling again. Okay, that's because you don't know if the coin turns into a tail or a head, right? So you are supposed to know the exit before you enter. That's very much important. Next is you need to know the exact entry level where you have to enter, which is what gives you an upper hand to make money or more profits. Okay, without knowing where to enter, you will not be knowing where to exit as well. So it's as simple as that. The next information you would require is good trading account with low brokerage for options, right? I know certain brokerages which gives you good options trading accounts. Those are BN Rathi Securities. One is that it gives you 10 rupees per lot buy and 10 rupees per lot sell without any matter of lot size, as in you can trade with any lot size which is about 1500 2500 lots also, right? So you can even trade in Nifty Options, which is just 75 shares per lot. That's also possible with just 10 rupees per buy, 10 rupees per sell of the options. Okay, the second is Upstocks and Zerodha. Both give you 20 rupees per lot buy and per lot sell. Okay, next is a good trading software for technical charts. Some of the recommendations which I know are very good. Sher Khan has best in class free softwares. If you open an account with Sher Khan, you will get a great software, right? So Sher Khan has Trade Tiger, and that's the best in the category of the trading charts, right? The next one is IIFL, which I use to train all my students. IIFL is the second best in the trading softwares range, which is free of cost. Okay, when you open an account with IIFL, they give you the trading software as well. The third is Zerodha Kite.